Hi, George here from Go International, here to help you navigate the ever-changing landscape of the balloon industry in under 2 minutes. Now, many of you are still scratching your heads wondering who owns what and where to get your stock from. It feels like things are changing on an almost daily basis, right? So let's start with the letter A and work our way through this alphabet soup. Are you ready? Then let's begin. First up, Amscan International. They've been thrown another lifeline by an investment company, so for now, they and their assets like Ginger Ale and Delights are still in the game. However, they no longer represent two big, huge manufacturers, Anagram and Sempertex. Anagram International has bought Pioneer Europe. Pioneer Europe doesn't manufacture latex or foil, so any Qualitex latex and foils that you do see are from before their collapse in the USA. And let's not talk about the Pioneer Europe cyber attack, which has been horrendous for them. Anagram foils are now being sold through what was Pioneer Europe, who are now trading as Anagram Europe. We're starting to see some deliveries, but the availability of Anagram licensed foils is still a huge issue while they sort out all illegalities. And there's no real clear time frame for when they're going to be available in the UK. Are you confused yet? Don't worry, there are options and solutions. Go International is the approved distributor for Procos, and we offer a great price and a great range on licensed characters from them right now. Sempertex has been our premium brand of latex for some time. It's selling very, very fast, and Sempertex Europe is doing a fantastic job in getting stock to us. We may see a few more weeks of availability issues, but I'm confident things will smooth out very, very soon. And you remember Pioneer? They used to have deco bubbles, and they were exclusively manufactured for them by Takaraka-san. That's now stopped, but fear not, Go International is the official distributor for Takaraka-san. So while we can't call them deco bubbles, the exact same items will be available through us very, very soon. Any questions? If there are, please feel free to contact me. Take care. Bye for now.